north to south are called meridians of longitude. Just like this. These are the meridians of longitude running from north to south. Okay. The most important parallel of latitude is the equator. It is just located just between North Pole and South Pole. It is the longest parallel and is called equator or great circle also. Equator is also named as great circle. Northern part of equator is called northern hemisphere and southern part of equator is called southern hemisphere. All parallels are full circles. They are all full circles. There are 181 latitudes including equator. In the northern part 90 and here in southern part 90 and the 0 degree equator 1. Total 90 plus 90 plus 1, 181. All parallels are running parallel to each other and have equal distance. All parallels are full circle except North Pole and South Pole. These two are just 2 points. Important parallels of latitude are here. You can see Tropic of firstly equator 0 degree, then Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, Arctic Circle, and these are the poles. 0 degree is equator, 23.5 degree north is the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree south is called the Tropic of Capricorn, 66.5 degree south Antarctic Circle, and 66.5 degree north Arctic Circle. Now, today we learn about the meridians of longitude. Okay, so the meridians of longitude here. Meridians of longitude. The lines which run vertically from north to south and intersect each other at poles, north and south pole, are called meridians of longitude. I am showing you a better picture. Okay, please look at this picture. Here the meridians of longitude running from north to south. These run vertically from north to south and intersect each other at poles, north and south. Meridians means midday in Latin. In Latin, the meridian means the midday. As we take equator as the reference line for parallels of latitude, similarly, we also need a reference line for meridians of longitude. The central longitude that divides the earth into the eastern and western hemisphere is known as prime meridian. It is the 0 degree meridian. It is prime meridian. It is called 0 degree meridian. Okay. Here you can see this picture too. Here it is North Pole and in the bottom it is South Pole, and the meridians are running from north to south and they meet at 2 poles. Here North Pole, you can see the North Pole, and it is all the lines meet here. Okay. Now all the other meridians are numbered from the prime meridian from 0 degree. It numbered from the prime meridian 0 degree. There are 180 meridians to its east. They are marked at 0, 0 from 0, 1, 2, 3 degree to 179 degree east. The 180 meridians to the west of the prime meridian are marked as 1 degree west to 179 degree west. Okay, the meridian of 180 degree east and west is the same line. You can see here, just opposite the 0 degree. 180 degree is the same line, just opposite the 0 degree. 180 degree east and west meet here. It is 180 degree. It is called the international date line. It marks the difference of dates between the eastern and western hemisphere. The date is in the eastern hemisphere is 1 day ahead of the date in the western hemisphere. There are total 360 meridian in all. The prime meridian 0 degree, international date line 180 degree, and 179 meridians from 1 degree east to 179 degree east in the eastern hemisphere, and 179 meridians from 1 degree west to 179 degree west in western hemisphere. Now I am telling you the characteristics of meridians of longitude. All the meridians are of the same length and they meet at the poles, all are same length and meet at the poles. Meridians opposite to each other may form great circles and can divide the earth into two equal halves. Due to the shape of the earth, the distance between two longitudes, just look at them, distance between two longitudes is greater at the center. The center part, it is greater, the distance between two longitudes. And it keeps on decreasing as we move towards the North Pole or towards the South Pole. The distance decreasing, and at the North Pole and South Pole, they are just 2 points. In these points in North Pole, it meets, they all meets here in the North Pole and in the South Pole. The longitudes to the east of the prime meridian are denoted with the symbol east, and look at them, east, and longitudes to the west of the prime meridian are marked with the symbol west, meaning west. Okay, now I am showing you a picture. You can see the grid, the latitudes from east to west and longitudes from north to south. The latitudes and the longitudes intersect each other. Look at them. They intersect each other. And form a network of lines called grid. This network of lines called grid. It helps us to locate places accurately on the globe. Okay. For this, we need to know the latitude and the longitude of a place. The point at which they cross each other will be the location of a place. The point at which they cross each other. Look here, the latitude and the longitude, just they crisscross each other, and this point is called, this is the location of the exact place. For example, Kishanganj in Bihar is situated at 26 degree north latitude and 88 degrees longitude. The point where these two lines cross each other will be the location of that particular place. And the location of Chennai is 13 degree north latitude and 80 degree longitude. It is the grid. It is here you can see the Africa here and the Europe, but it is one part of globe, so we see that like that. So grid is very important to locate a place. So that's all for today's class, and the chapter is completed, and in our next class I'll discuss on the question answers on this chapter. Okay, till then, bye.